Have you ever faced a situation where you need to make a payment immediately, but your salary is still a few days away? Maybe it's a utility bill, a medicine purchase, or a grocery run, or an unexpected expense. Moments like these don't always come with the perfect timing, and that's exactly where having a little extra flexibility can make all the difference. Today, let's talk about Paytm Postpaid, a simple way to pay now and repay next month. Paytm Postpaid is a credit line available on UPI that lets eligible users get up to 60,000 rupees upfront credit and make payments instantly and settle the bill later. Think of it as a short-term credit facility integrated directly into your everyday UPI experience. You can scan any merchant UPI QR code, shop online, pay bills, recharge your phone, book travel, and make other eligible payments using Paytm Postpaid. The best part? You get up to 60,000 rupees upfront credit along with up to 45 days of interest-free credit, giving you the flexibility to manage your monthly cash flow more efficiently. Let's look at a few everyday examples. Imagine you're at a pharmacy late at night and you need to purchase medicines urgently. Or maybe you've received an electricity bill and the due date is today. Perhaps you're traveling and need to book a train or a flight ticket immediately. In all these situations, Paytm Postpaid can help eligible users access up to 60,000 rupees credit and complete the payment instantly without disrupting their monthly budget planning. The experience remains familiar. Just use UPI the way you normally do. Scan, pay, and complete the transaction in seconds. Getting started is simple. Open the Paytm app and select Paytm Postpaid. Complete the required details and verification process. Once activated, link your credit line on the UPI account. After setting up your UPI PIN, you can start making eligible payments through the linked credit facility directly linked on UPI. The entire experience is designed to be seamless, secure, and integrated into the way millions of Indians already use UPI every single day. A quick reminder on responsible usage. While credit can be useful, it should always be used responsibly. Paytm Postpaid is designed to provide flexibility for everyday expenses and short-term cash flow needs. Before making your purchases, always keep your repayment obligations in mind and ensure payments are made in time. Responsible credit usage helps you stay financially disciplined while enjoying greater convenience. Financial flexibility isn't about spending more. It's about having options when you need them. With Paytm Postpaid, eligible users can get up to 60,000 rupees upfront credit, make everyday payments through UPI, and repay the following month, making daily transactions more convenient and manageable. Paytm Postpaid is available on your Paytm app. Explore the feature and check your eligibility. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Paytm YouTube channel for more updates on mobile payments and financial services. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.